Hey everyone, do you ever feel like you're holding yourself back? Like you want to speak up, go for that opportunity, or just feel better about who you are but something stops you? Well, in this video I'm going to break down how to be more confident in yourself with simple steps that actually work. Not vague motivational talk, real practical things you can start doing today. Let's get into it. First things first. Confidence is not a feeling you wait for, it's an action. You act your way into confidence. Think of it like going to the gym. You don't wait to feel strong to start lifting weights. You lift weights to become strong. Same goes for confidence. Start showing up, speaking up, and trying new things even if you feel awkward or scared. Confidence follows action, not the other way around. This one's huge. Keep the small promises you make to yourself. If you say you'll wake up early, do it. If you plan to hit the gym, go. Every time you follow through, you send a powerful message to your brain. I can trust myself. And that trust builds self-respect, and that's the foundation of real, lasting confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud or extroverted, it's about knowing that you can rely on yourself. We all do it, scrolling through social media, comparing ourselves to people who seem more successful, more attractive, more together. But here's the truth. Comparison kills confidence. Everyone is on their own journey, with their own struggles that you don't see online. So focus on your own growth. Measure your progress against who you were yesterday, not who someone else is today. Confidence grows when you focus on your path. Imagine you're talking to a close friend who just failed at something. Would you say, "You're such a loser, you'll never get it right"? No way. So why talk to yourself that way? The way you speak to yourself matters more than you think. Try talking to yourself like you would talk to someone you care about. Encouraging, understanding, patient. That shift alone can seriously boost your confidence. Want a confidence hack that works every time? Do hard things, on purpose. Whether it's starting a conversation, hitting the gym, learning a skill, or saying no when it's uncomfortable. Every time you do something difficult, you prove to yourself that you're capable. And that proof is what builds real confidence over time. Growth comes from challenge, not comfort. This one might sound small, but it makes a big difference. Your body language affects how you feel. Stand up straight, make eye contact, speak clearly. Even if you're nervous inside, presenting yourself with confidence tricks your brain into actually feeling it. It also changes how people respond to you, which boosts your confidence even more. Alright, quick recap. Act before you feel ready. Keep promises to yourself. Stop comparing. Be kind in your self-talk. Do hard things on purpose. And mind your body language. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real-life mindset tips. And let me know in the comments. What's one thing you're going to start doing today to build your confidence? See you in the next one.